Cookie Pop. Press, press, press. Cookie Pop. Press, press, press. Cookie Pop. Press, press, press. Cookie Pop. Yeah!
Now that we have that song stuck in your head for the rest of the day, let me tell you about the Cookie Pop Press. My name is Jennifer, and this is my sister Natalie, and we are the inventors of the Cookie Pop Press. As a mother of 4, I'm always being asked to bring baked goods for fundraisers, kids' parties, holidays, birthdays, you name it. And I am not a baking domestic goddess. I used to buy things like this, but it can get really expensive and they just never stood out. I tried to make cookie pops, but they would come out lopsided or the stick wouldn't stay in, and my decorating skills, will just say, were unprofessional.
Press, Cookie Pop. Press, press, press.
As you can see, the Cookie Pop Press was a uniform shape that stayed on the stick. The other one was a blob mess that went flying across the room. There was nothing on the market to make cookie pops. It's pans that I just couldn't get to work. I told my sister, who is a baking whiz, she can do anything, about my dilemma. I was hoping she knew of some tool or product out there that I could make cookie pops with. She couldn't find anything either. So Natalie worked for weeks designing and perfecting the Cookie Pop Press to create the perfect decorated cookie on a stick and the tool to do it. The Cookie Pop Press was invented. Once Natalie perfected the Cookie Pop Press to include the notch for the exact area to insert the stick to secure the cookie, by using the plunger, the cookie dough will press down and allow the dough to keep its shape and secure the stick while baking to create the perfect cookie pop. So easy. You can use any type of dough. You can use sugar, peanut butter, chocolate chip, oatmeal. You can use instant cookie dough out of those tubes, cookie dough from a box, or from scratch. With the Cookie Pop Press, you can decorate the cookies before you even bake them. You can even form no-bake treats such as the classic chocolate peanut butter balls. The Cookie Pop Press forms them better, and while eating, you don't even have to get your fingers messy. The Cookie Pop Press design also has the dip factor. Heat up a can of ready-to-use frosting and simply dip the baked cookie pop into the frosting container. The Cookie Pop Press was specifically designed to be the right size to fit into any icing container. That's not the only part of the dip factor. You can dip the cookie pop into a glass of milk or your coffee cup. The Cookie Pop Press design creates the perfect size cookie pop with a dip factor for a cookie pop everyone will enjoy. By designing the double notch press, this will allow you to place 2 or 3 cookies on one stick. You can create a cool snowman design, which all you room mothers can bring to the winter party at your kids' school, or just a fun double or triple cookie pop. Now that we've shown you how easy it is to use the Cookie Pop Press, let us show you the endless ideas for decorating your cookie pops. You can add candies, nuts, sprinkles to the dough while using the cookie ring, and they will cook right in. Or you can leave them plain, decorate them with chocolate or icing. The decorating possibilities are endless with the Cookie Pop Press. You can use cookie pops made by the Cookie Pop Press for any occasion, such as birthdays, school events. You can create bouquets, get well bouquets. You can make cookie pops for graduations or any holiday and fundraiser. You name it, they are always a hit.
This is where we are so far in our project. We've designed the Cookie Pop Press, made a prototype, we've tested the prototype on thousands of cookies, filed for a patent, selected a manufacturer, and obtained tooling and production prices.
Okay, this is where you come in. We need your help. We need your support and the cost of the tooling for the Cookie Pop Press. Won't you help us make the world a better place, one cookie pop at a time with the Cookie Pop Press? Thank you. We appreciate your consideration in watching our video.